For women, all of the women human rights defenders tonight, we'd like to give tribute to all of you, including the men present here. Because today, here in the Philippines, it's a very opportune time that you all arrive for the consultation of Forum Asia. Because there are many things happening right now in the Philippines, particularly on women human rights defenders and on and those women human rights defenders who are defending the community rights to health. One particular issue that we have right now in the Philippines is the ongoing war. We call it the war because it's really a war on the passage of a reproductive health bill here in the Philippines. So there are many public debates ongoing right now, not only in Congress but in different places in the Philippines because of a recent survey that came out saying that majority of the Filipinos in fact are amenable and would want to have a reproductive health bill passed here in the Philippines. For the longest time, this bill has been filed in the Philippine Congress, but because of the strong, quote-unquote, strong church influence with our politicians, these efforts have been frustrated for the past few years. But activists, particularly women human rights defenders, are more than ever determined to pursue the passage of this bill, as we have many progressive parliamentarians also in Congress working to push for this bill. The second thing that makes this a very opportune time that all of you are during your visit, during your stay here in the Philippines, is the issue of the 43 health workers. 26 among them are women. One woman is a doctor. 2 women are midwives, and the rest are community-based health workers who are defending their community's right to health or access to comprehensive health care, to reproductive health care. 26 of them are women, and they are right now on their 10th month of detention this coming December 6. Many organizations have already indicated their support for the Morong 43, including WGNRR, and we would like to thank many women human rights defenders organizations like WGNRR for their support for the Morong 43. And tomorrow we will be having a series of actions tomorrow. These actions will spell many things for the eventual release of the Morong 43, for the campaign, for the immediate release, and we have many organizations who are with us right now, who are part of that campaign. These issues that are being faced by women human rights defenders in the Philippines are no different from your issues, from the issues of the women human rights defenders in your countries. And because of our solidarity, we believe, Filipino women human rights defenders believe that with our solidarity and with our united strength, we can overcome these challenges, and we can push forward many other forms of solidarity in other parts of Asia defending women in our rights to reproductive health and comprehensive rights to comprehensive health care. So before I end, I would like to ask the Singing Lila, the cultural group of Gabriela, because we will teach you something. I will not sing, I will not dance, but we will teach you something. This is the chant of the 23 women community-based health workers who are currently on their 10th month of detention in Bicutan, Taguig City. And this is a chant that they have been chanting since the first day of their arrest and detention and torture. Okay? We will teach this to you. Okay? Can you start?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Freedom 43! Again, simple.
Okay. One more? Okay. So, we are inviting this table. All of the people here in this area. We would like to invite you to stand up with us to do the chant of the Morong for the freedom of the Morong for the
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Freedom 43!
So it is your, it's now your chance to do this. Have you got it? It's very simple because it's 43. There are 4 claps and 3 stamps of your feet. Okay? And then you chant the last chant, Freedom 43. Okay? So we'll try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Freedom 43! Thank you. I think this area is the last one. This area. We invite you to stand up. We are inviting you to stand up. And do the solidarity chant for the Morong 43. So in behalf of Prominent Human Rights Defender of the Morong 43, we thank you. Everybody?
Everybody do it.
Okay, Tanya is requesting that everybody do it right now. So, they're requesting everybody to stand up once again. And maybe Sinik Lila can lead this chant.